Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natara, and today's video I'm going to be in my bedroom, you guys. I'm going to get in here and get it all clean. I'm going to be making my bed, wiping down my furniture, as well as vacuuming and steam mopping my floors. And also, you guys, you're going to see me praising God in this video. I have on my praise and worship, and also at the first part I was listening to a sermon as well. So yeah, you guys, let's get into this video.
Telling me, yeah, I believe it's true. You're all for someone new. I've never felt this stupid thinking
Okay, you guys, the first thing I'm going to do is start out by making up my bed. These sheets, I put them on here yesterday, so they are clean. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this bed all made up. And also, you guys, I'm not going to be talking as much during this video. I do want to let you guys know that I will be using the I think it's the Homeline version of the Lysol, and it's in the lavender scent from Family Dollar store. So that's what I'm going to be using to wipe down all of my furniture, as well as my glass tables and my mirror on my dresser.
You're not telling me, yeah, I believe it's true. You're all for someone new. I've never felt this stupid thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. I've had enough of you. You're just too much. I'm way too good for you. You're just a bluff. I'm so fed up with you. It's bad enough that I'm way too good for you. I believe it's true. You're all for someone new. I've never felt this stupid thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. I believe it's true. You're all for someone new. I've never felt this stupid thinking I'm enough for you.
If you're new here, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Natara, and over here I like to do cooking, cleaning, organization, anything that pertains to mom life. And also on Wednesday nights at 6 o'clock Central Standard Time, I also have Wednesday night prayer over here. So if you're interested in that, I ask that you come out every Wednesday at 6 o'clock.
Girlfriend, you got me smiling brighter each day. Stars are brighter, I feel lighter in every way. Girlfriend, there's no one like you when it comes to loving. Life is richer, lips are sweeter. Now listen, stay and let's figure out where to go and how about family, new history. Here I go, dreaming. You got me going wilder than wild. Girlfriend, there's nothing that can stop us. Oh, you got me with
not following me over on Instagram or Facebook, I would love if you will follow me. I will have my handles right here.
You got me going wilder than wine. Girlfriend, there's nothing that can stop us. Whoa, you got me winning my left your mind. No, there's nothing that I can't do with you, with you.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Tell me what choice I have now. I just wanna get it right with you. But if we try to talk about it, our history says we'll just argue. And I know you're gonna act a fool, and then no one could tell the difference between me and you, babe. Watching from a distance, hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Maybe I need some space, need some air, somewhere else to go, to release, to relax, to let my emotions flow. But for now, I just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it, oh, before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. I can hear them thinking out loud, loud. Simple people acting so proud, proud. I hear them talking, talking, talking about us. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
right here, I'm just going to take my vacuum that Toppin sent to me to vacuum up the floor, and then I will proceed to steam mop my floor with the Bissell Power Fresh.
They wouldn't know about us, no. They wouldn't know about us, us, us. They don't know about us, us, They don't get it, babe. Living in a cruel world. It's a rare thing to do just what we do, love. Hold your head high and do it by your own terms. They don't get it, babe. No, they don't get it, babe. They don't know about us, babe. They don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know what they even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us, no. They wouldn't know about us. They don't know about us. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say.
Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for coming back for another video. Thank you for sticking around, you guys. Also, I appreciate your support. You guys, please don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, make sure you subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so that you will be notified every time I upload. And I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.
Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say. So hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. You know it's creeping up on me, this frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. I'm hoping for some brighter days, 'cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting knee deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. November gets cold, December gets darker. Let me know when you're home, 'cause you're lighting a spark in me. It's pretty lonely, I get so lonely. So stay by my side, come on close.